Honestly, lads, this has got so much character, you will not believe it. Period features, it's got a big living room, you've got all the mod cons. It's going to go today. It's going to go today, so I really hope you get in there before anyone else. Okay, after you. Okay, guys, what do you reckon? First impressions. Come on through the living room.
But I must confess, this place ain't blessed. This place is a mess.
Disgusting.
But no, you don't deserve no guest.
No.
In here, I don't wanna lay down or
Are
rest.
you crazy?
That crack in the wall needs addressing. The state of the floor is just depressing.
Man.
This table's older than the pyramid.
It's older?
At least it's younger than the mirror is. This place is small and it's barely a house. Never mind the cat, you couldn't even swing a mouse.
It's so small.
Those curtains are looking tired. Decorations are tired. Look, your style is fired. It's like somebody hit you with a bulldozer.
Bang.
If your house was a car, it would get pulled over.
Excuse me, please.
This is very unacceptable.
Okay.
Let's walk around, I'll give the house a scan. Oops, doorknob broke off into my hand.
Oh my gosh.
Every time I touch something, I wanna wash my hands.
Sanitize.
I don't wanna sit in here, I'd rather stand.
I'm cool. I'm alright.
You got wobbly seats here, dining table.
Wobbly.
Everywhere I look, it's wires and cables.
Which one's this for?
This is the messiest house that I've ever been in. Look at the stains in the rug, that's gonna need more than cleaning. What, the sofa bed's not working, it's not flicking out?
Nah, mate.
Think it's time to sort it out.
Come on.
Walls are meant to be white, but they're looking beige.
Tell me.
What, did you have a house party? What, did you have a rave? It's like somebody hit you with a bulldozer. If your house was a car, it would get pulled over.
Excuse me, please.
This is very unacceptable.
Sorry.
Ooh, dirty T. That's you. Fresh and clean.
So, what do you think? Hello? Oh, you would not believe the property I've got for you.
Where do we come from? Where do we come from? London, the East London dungeon. Arms out in the function. Police with truncheon. Don't make no assumptions. No, don't make no assumptions. Where do we come from? Where do we come from?